So for this lesson, we are going to be talking about commission. So commission is the amount of money that is paid to an employee or company as an incentive to sell more. And that's kind of not needed right here. Okay, so it's a percentage of the sales price. So for example, a car salesman might be someone that makes commission, or if you go to the shoe store, sometimes those people make commission, or at an electronics store like Best Buy or Apt, or real estate agents, they make commission based on a sale. So they're inclined to sell because that's how they're making money. So let's look at some scenarios. Number one, if Jose sold $59,000 worth of cars this month and made $3,540 in commission, what was the commission rate he earned? So that's the total amount that he sold. This is the part in commission that he earned. We are solving for, the question is asking, what was the commission rate he earned? So I'm going to set up a proportion. The rate is the percentage. So if we're asking what the rate is, that means we do not know the percent. This commission is the part that he earned out of the total amount of cars that he sold, $59,000 worth in cars. So I've got my proportion set up and we can solve. Multiplying the two numbers in the diagonal. So I'm multiplying 3,540 times 100 to get 354,000. So 354,000. And I'm dividing by the number in the same diagonal as the variable. So dividing by 59,000, plugging that into my calculator. And we get 6. We were solving for the percentage, so that means the commission rate that Jose earns is 6% of sales. Okay, number 2, Pierre is an art dealer and earns 25% commission of the dollar value of the art pieces that he sells at the gallery. If this month he earned $10,800 in commission, what was the total dollar value of the art that he sold? So this is the question. So the 25%, that is our percentage that we're plugging in. The commission that he earned is the part. What is the total dollar value that he sold? That is the whole that we are solving for. So plugging this into a percent proportion. We know that the commission rate is 25%, so that is our percent in our percent proportion. The commission that he earned is the part, so $10,800 is what he earned. We want to know what is the whole value of all of the art that he sold. So solving this proportion, I am going to multiply 10,800 times 100 to get 1,080,000. Okay, and we're going to divide that by the number in the same diagonal as the variable. So dividing that by 25. Means that he sold $43,200 worth of art. Number 3, a pharmaceutical sales rep receives a monthly paycheck of $3,742. Additionally, so he's getting this each month no matter what. Additionally, he's earning 3.5% commission for selling medication to physicians. If he sells $22,500 of medication during this month, what will be his take-home pay? So 2 parts. First, we just got to figure out what is 3.5% of this $22,000 worth of medication he's selling. So I'm going to find the commission by setting up a percent proportion. We know the commission rate is 3.5. And we know the total amount that he sold, our whole, is $22,500. We are trying to solve for what is that in dollar amount for his commission. So solving this proportion, I'm multiplying 22,500 times 3.5, which gives us 78750. And I'm going to divide that by 100, and we get that his commission for the month was 787.5, which as a dollar value is 787.50. So that's his commission. Second part is the total take-home pay, because what it's asking is, what will the take-home pay be? Is he's getting $3,742 no matter what, plus this commission that he earned specifically this month. So that's going to give us a total take-home pay for the month of $4,529.50. All right, last problem. Katie and Emily sold houses last week. Emily sold a house for $450,000 with a commission of $62,000, while Katie sold a house for $410,000 and received $59,000 in commission. Who made the better commission? So here's the important question. We're not asking of who made the most money, the actual money value. That's easy. We look at it and say, Emily has $62,000. What we want to look at is, over time, they're going to be selling different house prices. So this one instance, Emily made more, but who has the better rate that overall will give them a better dollar value in commissions? So let's look at Emily first. She sold a house for $450,000 and made a commission of $62,000. We want to figure out what is that commission rate. So we don't know what her rate is, but we know her commission was $62,000, and we know that the house was $450,000. Okay, so we're gonna solve this. I'm multiplying 62,000 times 100. And then I'm dividing that by 450,000. And I get a long decimal that I'm going to round to about 13.8, and we were solving for a percent, right? So that's Emily's percentage. Let's calculate Katie's. So we don't know the percentage, that's what we're solving for. We know that the commission amount she received was $59,000, and that the house that she sold on that was $410,000. So let's go ahead and solve. We're gonna do 59,000 times 100 equals 5,900,000. Divide by 410,000. And when I round, I get 14.39, which I'm going to round to 14.4%. So the question is, who made better commission? So even though the amount that Katie made was less, it was 59,000, her rate is higher. So Katie, because 14.4 is greater than 13.8. So a quick explanation like that.